Stress is an inevitable part of life. Whether from work, relationships, financial issues, or other sources, it profoundly impacts our physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Effective stress management strategies are crucial for maintaining a balanced life and promoting overall health. This comprehensive guide will delve into the various facets of stress, its effects on our lives, and a myriad of strategies to manage it effectively. Understanding stress. The biology of stress. Stress is a natural physiological response to perceived threats or challenges. The body responds by releasing stress hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline, preparing the individual for a fight or flight reaction. While this response can be beneficial in short bursts, prolonged exposure to stress hormones can lead to adverse health effects. Types of stress. Acute stress. This is short-term stress that disappears quickly. It helps manage dangerous situations and occurs when you do something new or exciting. Chronic stress. This type of stress lasts for a longer period and can be harmful to health. It can stem from poverty, dysfunctional families, or troubled marriages. Eustress. Positive stress motivates individuals to make necessary changes and complete tasks. Distress. This negative stress can cause anxiety or concern and is often perceived as outside of our coping abilities. The impact of stress on health. Stress affects various aspects of health, including mental health. Chronic stress can lead to depression, anxiety, and other mental health disorders. Physical health. Stress can contribute to heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, and other conditions. Emotional well-being. Prolonged stress can lead to burnout, feeling overwhelmed, and emotional instability. Strategies for stress management. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Meditation. Practicing mindfulness meditation can help calm the mind and reduce stress. Deep breathing. Engaging in deep breathing exercises can activate the body's relaxation response. Progressive muscle relaxation. This involves tensing and slowly releasing each muscle group in the body, starting from the toes and ending with the head. Guided imagery. This involves visualizing a calm and peaceful setting, helping to relax the mind and body. Physical activity. Engaging in regular physical activity is a proven way to manage stress. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. It also helps improve sleep, boosts self-confidence, and increases relaxation. Aerobic exercise. Activities such as walking, jogging, swimming, and cycling effectively reduce stress. Strength training. Engaging in resistance training can improve mood and enhance a sense of well-being. Yoga. Combining physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation, yoga is a holistic approach to stress management. Tai Chi. This is a form of gentle exercise that incorporates slow movements and deep breathing. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. CBT is a type of therapy that helps individuals identify and change harmful thought patterns and behaviors. It effectively treats various mental health conditions, including stress and anxiety. Identifying negative thought patterns. Recognizing and challenging harmful thoughts can lead to a change in behavior and a reduction in stress. Behavioral activation. This involves engaging in activities that bring joy and satisfaction, thereby reducing feelings of stress and depression. Time management and organization. Effective time management can significantly reduce stress. This includes setting realistic goals, prioritizing tasks, and taking breaks when needed. Prioritizing tasks. Identify what needs to be done first and focus on those tasks. Setting realistic goals. Ensure that your goals are achievable and aligned with your values. Using tools. Utilize calendars, planners, and apps to keep track of tasks and deadlines. Decluttering. A tidy and organized space can lead to a clearer mind and reduced feelings of overwhelm. Social support and communication. Having a strong social support network is vital for managing stress. This includes family, friends, and colleagues. Talking about stress, sharing your thoughts and feelings with trusted individuals can provide relief and lead to practical solutions. Joining support groups. Connecting with others who are going through similar experiences can provide a sense of community and understanding. Building relationships. Investing time and effort into building strong relationships can provide a reliable support network during stressful times. Developing resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and adapt well to change. It is a crucial skill in stress management. Positive thinking. Maintaining a positive outlook can help navigate through stressful situations more effectively. Embracing change. Being open to change and viewing challenges as opportunities for growth can enhance resilience. Learning from experience, reflecting on past experiences, identifying what worked and what didn't, and applying those lessons to future challenges can build resilience. Healthy lifestyle choices. Making healthy lifestyle choices can significantly impact stress levels. Balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet provides the necessary nutrients for the body and mind to function optimally. Adequate sleep. Ensuring sufficient and quality sleep helps in the recovery and rejuvenation of the body. Limiting alcohol and caffeine. Reducing the intake of alcohol and caffeine can lead to improved mood and reduced stress. Hydration. Staying well hydrated is essential for maintaining physical and mental performance. Professional help. Seeking professional help is a vital step when stress becomes overwhelming. Therapists and counselors can provide expert guidance and support in managing stress. Psychiatrists. For stress-related mental health conditions, psychiatrists can offer medication and therapy. Employee assistance programs, EAPs. These programs offer confidential and professional support to employees dealing with stress. Conclusion. Managing stress is an ongoing process that requires consistent effort and self-awareness. Individuals can lead healthier, more balanced lives by understanding the nature of stress and its impacts on health and employing various stress management strategies. A comprehensive stress management plan includes mindfulness, physical activity, cognitive behavioral therapy, effective time management, social support, resilience, and healthy lifestyle choices. Additionally, seeking professional help ensures individuals have the support and resources to navigate challenging times. With the right tools and strategies in place, mastering stress is possible and can lead to a life of balance, well-being, and fulfillment. Thanks for watching.